नमस्कार। हेमंत बिस्व शर्मा, कद्दावर नेता, राष्ट्रवादी, सबको जानना चाहिए, हम सबको जानना चाहिए ये आदमी है क्या, कैसा नेता है, कितना मजबूत नेता है। मोदी, योगी, अमित शाह के बाद ये चौथा नाम हेमंत बिस्व शर्मा ही क्यों है, हम सबको जरूरी हम जाने। अरे कांग्रेस को छोड़ा क्यों? बहुत सारे कांग्रेसी कह रहे हैं आज जो हेमंत बिस्व शर्मा का नाम ले रहे हो तो कांग्रेसी ही था, लेकिन आइडियोलॉजी क्या था हेमंता का और आज क्या है? ये कांग्रेस छोड़ा क्यों? पहले ये सुनिए ना, कांग्रेस छोड़ा क्यों?
नहीं, वो तो एक इंसिडेंट था। हम था, सीपी जोशी था, तरुण गोगोई जी था और हमारा प्रदेश का अध्यक्ष था। तो ऐसा बातचीत में क्या हुआ, एक समय में सीपी जोशी और गोगोई जी का बीच में थोड़ा झगड़ा जैसा हो गया। तब झगड़ा हुआ तो वो कुत्ता टेबल पर आया उसी समय, और जो प्लेट सा कॉमन प्लेट में बिस्किट था उससे बिस्कुट उठाया। तो आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि राहुल विल इंटरवेन इन द डिस्प्यूट, कि भाई आप लोग झगड़ा मत करो। वो हमसे देखा और देखे हंसा कि भाई कुत्ता उठा के ले गया। तो ठीक है, 2 मिनट का बाद मेस आता था, वो किसी को बेल मार के बुलाएगा कि प्लेट चेंज कर दो। ये तो एक हमका एक्सपेक्टेशन था। प्लेट भी चेंज नहीं हुआ, फिर उसी प्लेट से 2 एक उठा के बिस्किट भी खाया। तो मैं तो हैरान हो गया, भाई ऐसे कैसे देश चलेगा। तो वही दिन था, मैं आते आते राहुल जी को बोल के आया कि राहुल जी बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने हमको इतना काम करने का मौका दिया। और मैंने आके ही, जैसे राम माधव जी से मेरा पहले से ही संपर्क था, राम माधव जी को मैंने ये कहानी बताया और हम लोग खूब हंसा। तो ये एक सिचुएशन है।
हेमंत बिस्व शर्मा पहला ऐसा नेता है जिसने खुलेआम कह दिया हमें मियाँ जी का वोट नहीं चाहिए। लोगों ने इनकलाब कर दिया। भाई ये तो कम्युनल स्टेटमेंट है, मियाँ जी का वोट नहीं चाहिए। क्यों नहीं चाहिए भाई? हेमंता ने समझाया कि भाई आसाम जो है वहाँ पे जो मुसलमान हैं वहीं के हैं, ज़मीन के हैं, लेकिन बहुत सारे घुसपैठिए हैं, बाहर से आ गए हैं। उन्होंने एक मियाँ संस्कृति बना ली है, एक मियाँ अखबार निकालने लगे हैं, मियाँ शेर व शायरी करते हैं, एक अलग से संस्कृति थोपने पे लगे हुए हैं। हमें नहीं चाहिए, मियाँ जी के साथ खड़े होके उनके वोट से हमें नहीं सत्ता में आना है।
One who has come to Assam from Bangladesh, other who are indigenous. So some people who came to Assam from Bangladesh at different point of time, they have started identifying themselves as a Mia, and these so-called Mia people are very, very communal, very, very fundamental, and they are involved in various activities to distort Assamese culture, Assamese language. So I don't want to be MLA with their vote. But if you say that I revert only the newly generated Mia language, Mia culture, then why should I have those votes? Why should I become MLA with those votes? Why should I compromise with my soul? So my line is very, very clear. Those who identify themselves with the Mia movement, Mia culture, those who has taken oath, moi Mia, I am a Mia like. So I don't want their vote.
और ये नागरिकता कानून पे हेमंत बिस्व शर्मा का आइडियोलॉजी कितना साफ है। ये कितनी जगह अच्छे अच्छे नेताओं से चपेट पड़ा है। राजीव सरदेसाई जी को हेमंत शर्मा भी लगा रहे हैं चपेट। सुनिए।
You certainly predicted in that conclave that the NDA will win more than 300 seats.
That day you laughed at me.
And that day I laughed at you.
This is a bill addressing religious persecution. So no Muslim will be persecuted in Bangladesh, Afghanistan and Pakistan for practicing Quran.
Ahmadiyya's claim
let them disown Quran.
No.
Because nobody can be persecuted on religious line in Islamic Republic because I am practicing Quran.
But look at...
For why they will be persecuted?
But 1 minute. What you are saying is against the Constitution of India.
How?
Article 14 is very clear.
No.
Article,
Rajdeep. Article, no. When Muslim has a special civil code, and Hindu is having a common civil code, that is also violation of Article 14. But on intelligent differentiation is allowed under Constitution of India. Article 14 do not say that do not give special discrimination to certain section of people. That is why everybody is enjoying reservation today, because we have to give special dispensation.
Look at the logic of what you're saying. You are someone who came out of the Assam Accord movement. You are someone who made 1971 the cutoff date.
We are not.
Now,
Asu leader has made it.
One minute. Hemanta Da.
We disown Assam Accord. I do not agree. On the day of Assam Accord, I protested that this was not the accord which Assamese people laid down their life.
Let me put it this way.
I am on record in 1985.
Let's put it this way. Yes. The NRC, which you were a supporter of, essentially made 1971 a cutoff date for all. Correct me if I'm wrong. For all those who came to Assam post 1971. Now, post facto, you are doing two things. One, you are saying we don't believe this NRC. Why? Because you found that your vote bank, Bengali Hindus, are also being found excluded from the NRC. You want to retain your vote bank. Number two, you've now come out with a new googly of CAB, that we want to bring a citizen amendment bill. Basically, you want to protect your vote bank. There is no morality in what you are doing.
Being a Hindu, being an Indian, how you are opposing CAB? You are giving shelter to somebody who are being forced to convert their religion. Your channel narrated the story of that Sikh lady who has been forced to convert their religion. Every day people are losing temple. Your girls are being forced to marry someone forcefully. You are being forced to convert your religion.
Where does this leave your entire basis on which you went along with the NRC? You said, no, 1 minute. You said it's a combo package. That's why I asked you. You said it's a combo package. You cannot divorce NRC from the Citizen Amendment Bill. In the NRC, you are very clear, post 1971, originally, 1 minute. 1 year ago, on this platform, you said anyone who comes post 1971 will not be accepted. What have you done 12 months later? You don't like the way out of the 19 lakhs, 11 or 12 lakhs are Hindu families.
Who has given you these statistics?
They're there in the public domain.
I mean, this is a statistic wrongly
it's
given.
In the public domain.
5 lakhs 40,000 is Hindu Bengali. Out of that 5 lakhs 40,000, 1 lakhs people are SAS, whose parents' name has been figured. They will be included eventually. 4 lakhs 40,000 Hindu Bengalis has been excluded from the NRC at that stage.
That's why you want a new NRC now.
Obviously, India has a responsibility to give citizenship to these 4 lakhs 40,000 people.
Because Hemanta Da,
you will give that citizenship.
Okay, but you have created a bureaucratic maze. I've just given you stories earlier today. Red tapeism, bureaucracy, which you now want to take across the country. Will 65, 70-year-old senior citizens have to go to court, foreign tribunals, to prove that they are Assamese or Indians?
Assamese people will do that again and again. People like Sandan Goswami, if you assure them that you are going to get an NRC free of foreigners, he will go to tribunal 100 times to sacrifice. No problem in Assam. Every Assamese people will sacrifice. Ask him. If I can assure him that you are going to get a free and fair NRC, are you not ready to go 100 times to that tribunal? He is ready. You ask him.
Tell me though.
This is the irony of Assamese people. We have been deprived from monastery. Our Sattradhikar are being killed, their land, they are being raped. Every day people are fearing demographic change like Bengal. I have been in the election in Bengal. I have seen how notorious for something Assam and Bengal is happening every day. And you have to have an NRC to drive out economic infiltrators from this country.
हिंदू रीति रिवाज सभ्यता संस्कृति परंपरा में रचा बसा हेमंता विश्वकर्मा राष्ट्र का भविष्य है और इतना साफ, इतना मजबूत नेता मिला है। नाम है विश्वास, उसने जगा दिया है विश्वास को। तो हेमंता विश्व शर्मा को हम सब बधाई दें। मुख्यमंत्री बने हैं आज असम के और राष्ट्र को इस आदमी की बहुत ज़रूरत है और ऐसे हजारों हजार हेमंत विश्व शर्मा की ज़रूरत है। चलिए चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे साथ बोलिए भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, जय भारत।